this is a continuous onslaught against any person in any individual who is voicing alternative opinion against Constitutional Amendment number 3 of 2026. The CDF has been under siege, but so too other fellow Democrats. Only 2 days ago, they heavily assaulted Professor Love Momaduku at his offices, and a week ago, they heavily assaulted one of our youths and literally left him for dead. But the message we have is that as CDF, we are not stopping, as the people of Zimbabwe, we are not stopping in resisting this fascism, in resisting this authoritarian consolidation. We find it ironic and hypocritical that they are able to have their meetings, their public consultations, but they are proscribing any meeting, any gathering, even any writing by any alternative voice that is opposed to their fascist amendments. So we'll continue, but we hope that the world can watch what is happening in Zimbabwe. Thank you.